In this video, we will be showing you what to check if you have trouble keeping your chain tight on your trencher. Check if grease is leaking through the ball and the grease nipple. Remove the bolts from this grease fitting plate and pull the plate out. Inspect the fitting in line for leaks. If that's not the case, then the back end of the grease line or tension cylinder may be leaking. To check this, relieve the chain tension by removing this fitting on the opposite end of the 4-bolt plate. And push on the end of the trencher, or put pressure on the chain, for the cylinder to retract. Make sure to install the fitting again. Then take the chain off by taking out this pin. Use a small punch and a heavy hammer. Next, remove this crumb scraper. Pull this inner tube out to inspect the tension cylinder and hose connection. Reassemble the trencher once again once you have fixed any leaks. Pump grease into this fitting to tighten the chain. Make sure to follow the following tension specs: a 1 to 1.5 inch drop in the center of a 36 inch chain, 1.5 inch to 2 inch drop on a 48 inch chain, 2 to 2.5 inch drop on a 60 inch chain.